Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to your weekly update to let you know what's going on my channel this week. Decided to go a little festive, plucked a little tree from my home, and I got my little Santa cup here full of coffee. I'm gonna take a sip. You know, this is retro Robezoid here with my coffee beside me. Yeah, I'm that kind of guy that has these type of cups. Don't judge. I do have a lot of coffee cups for one guy. I may have a problem other than fragrances. So, Monday you're getting this video, obviously to let you know what's going on the channel. We've finally caught up on the sampling sample series. Kudos to me, go me. You know, I did the Sauvage Elixir video and the God of Fire sampling samples that was due like 2 weeks ago. So we got some fresh samples here. Some that you're gonna like, especially my niche heads. You're gonna like me this week. You see an Uncle Serge here, you see a Comme Des Garcons Nasomatto. So not too designer-ish, but you know, we got a little melange. So Tuesday you're gonna get your subscribers choice video where you vote. We'll see how active or how good I am during the festive season. I'm just gonna apologize right away. If I can't get you videos every day, that's an issue. I do apologize. I'm trying my best, and you know, this is a hobby, but I'll do what I can. So anyway, let's get into Wednesday because it's unboxing first impression time, and this one right here, Uncle Serge, this is the last of the four. La couche du diable, devil's diaper. So that is a, I don't think I've smelt this. I might be wrong. If I did, I don't remember at all. So the name, polarizing, crazy, Uncle Serge, I'm assuming Sheldrake. I can't wait. This is not the only, you know, I told you I had four, but I bought another one from that same website. It's a Canadian website, so all my American friends or European friends, I'm sorry, they only ship to Canada, but they open every so often. And they have Uncle Serge's for like $100 Canadian or less. I just got a few months ago, they open it up for like a couple weeks and then they close the website altogether. They're based in Toronto or Mississauga. And I got, what did I get? Arabi. I got Arabi. So I got another Uncle Serge to unbox, which is, I can't wait. But La Couche du Diable on Wednesday. Looking forward to that. I'm assuming dark, crazy. You know, you got the name of the devil in it, so it's got to be crazy. Next, we got another Issey Miyake. Hopefully you enjoyed the Issey Miyake test drive last week. And we're going in the same kind of vein here. This is l'Odyssée pour Yuzu edition. So the other one was a Sport Mint, a minty one. Now this is emphasizing the citrus that Issey Miyake's always emphasize. So we'll see how that one goes. I would assume nothing changes too much. Again, the level of juice, don't be fooled. This was split for me by my splitter back in 2019. I haven't worn too much of this one, so we'll see how it goes with the test drive. Right beside that is a fragrance that I have a sampling samples on. Comme Des Garcons is heavily regulated as a brand. It's kind of like Serge Lutens, that it's, you know, discounters, you're gonna get a letter from Comme Des Garcons say cease and desist of selling our fragrances. So they're very hard to find. You'll have to pay retail. And I remember buying these, it was a Montreal based, not a discount, a retailer called S Sense, based in Montreal. And they have, sometimes they have deals on CDGs, which is rare. So this one, Wonder Oud. So I do have Wonder Wood. I unboxed that one, so you can go check out my video. I unboxed that one early in 2023. Now it's Wonder Oud's turn. I have a bunch of CDGs that I have to unbox that this year I've unboxed, I think 2 or 3. So it's nice to see another CDG in the line for me to unbox. And then sampling samples, your choice Saturday was, the winner was Nasomatto's Sado Naso. So the newest one, the 2023, just got in 2023 because it's gonna be 2024 soon. So I'm looking forward to sniffing that. Huge fan of Nasomatto. If you don't know, the line's right there. I don't know, I have 8 or 9 there. maybe more, depending, I don't know. Big fan of Nasomatto, crazy nose, love them. Can't wait to delve into that one. And then Sunday is my choice, another niche, a Lucky Scent sample. This one, Matiere Premiere's Falcon Leather. You know I love my leathers. That one has had a small little hype train within a small portion of our community. So I'm looking for, I think that's my first sniff of the brand. Definitely my first mention of the brand on the channel. So always like doing that. These are all, of course, household names. I've smelt a lot of these, but Matiere Premiere is my first time sniffing them. And I love discovering, I love finding out new leather-based scents, even though I probably own 50 or more. Always a fan of it. So we'll see what that one's all about. But yeah, that's it for the week. Absolutely love, you know me. Comment below, please, please. I love seeing, you can say, trash week, Mark. I'm waiting for, nobody's done that yet. Watch, now I'm gonna get a bunch this week, but yeah, if you're not gonna check out anything, perfect. Love seeing that comment. If not, let me know which ones, certain ones that you're interested in and pique your interest, the ones that you may be thinking of buying, the ones that you own and you're looking forward for my take on it. Yeah, interesting week before Christmas. And yeah, thank you so much for the support. Love y'all. Have a good one.